Hi there, U.S. government students, and here we are, week 16 as we wrap up Unit 3 and first semester. The class is wrapping up. Now, I am posting this a little bit early because we are under a time crunch and the semester is quickly coming to an end, and I'm hoping everyone can get all wrapped up and done by Friday, December 18th. All work, absolute deadline for all work in this class is before 3 p.m. on Monday the 21st, but I'm hoping we can get everyone with everything turned in by Friday. So you're watching this Monday the 14th. That is the deadline for week 15, Coming to America and the torture worksheet. Those two assignments hopefully get done before now or by Monday at midnight is when they're due. Tuesday is officially when week 16 opens, and again, it's going to be a little bit tight here, but hopefully you're watching this video. Start your point paragraph discussion board. You have 2 discussion boards plus your Unit 3 final, very similar to Unit 1 and Unit 2. You're basically looking at doing a 5-paragraph essay using 3 of the provided documents. You choose those as your evidence evidence analysis. Make sure you go through all the directions and try and follow the suggested schedule as closely as possible. And again, let's see if we can get everything done and in by Friday. That would be wonderful. There are no extensions. All work. This is a school-wide deadline, Monday 3 p.m. so that any work or missing assignments or anything need to be in before that. But hopefully you can get all tied in, all complete and everything by Friday. And Monday, you just check that your grade book and all of that, and you're all good to go, ready for the holiday break. So if you have any questions, please contact me as early as possible. I'm actually not going to be available on Monday the 14th. I might be, but I'll be kind of in and out of service. And but contact me as early in the week as possible if you have any questions or anything. Again, no extensions, anything like that. Let's get everything done and turned in as soon as you can. Friday the 18th. I'm hoping everyone can get stuff in by then, and we'll wrap up. Okay. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great holiday break and take care.